So, hello, and what I'm going to show you today after we've learned how to tune the ukulele is I'm going to show you 8 basic chords. So this is going to be broken into 2 videos. So the first one I'm going to do is show you the first 4 basic chords, then the next 4 basic chords. Alright, so this first video is going to focus on, and again if you want to pause it or screenshot it, alright, it's going to focus on let's get it down a little bit. These 4 chords, okay? So what you have is C, G, A minor, and F. C, G, A minor, and F. All right, now, again, if you're looking at this and you're kind of wondering to yourself, exactly what is this specifically saying when you're looking at this piece of paper? So what I'm going to show you is, okay, you're going to look at this and you're going to look at the ukulele and you're going to see that this is matching, okay? So what happens is you have the first 3 frets on the ukulele, and then, so what you see is you see the 4 strings that go down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you see the frets that go across, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, right up here is the top of the ukulele, so it's going to match this part right here. Okay, then what you're going to see on here is you're going to see little dots, okay, and those dots are going to tell you what your fingers are. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so when you see a dot on the ukulele, it's just on the paper, it's going to tell you where to put your finger. Okay, so we're going to start with, literally my favorite ukulele chord. Maybe one of my favorite chords of all time on any instrument because 1, it's really easy, and 2, it sounds great. Okay, it's the C chord on a ukulele. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you right here. We're looking at the ukulele, and you can look at the paper or your screenshot that you have, okay, and you're going to take either your 1 or your 2 finger. Okay, you're going to go up to the 3rd fret, so 1, 2, 3, all right, and then you're going to go to the very bottom of the guitar. Okay, either put 2 or 1, and I like to do 2, it just seems more comfortable to me, but that's okay. And it's going to go right here, and you're going to press down right in the middle, and that is a C chord. Love it. All right, so then the next one we're going to do is a G chord. Okay, so this one we're going to start on the 2nd fret. So you're going to go up. You're going to be on the 2nd string from the top, which is your 3rd string from the bottom. 1, 2. I like to use my 1 finger on this one. It's going to go here, and then your 2 finger is going to go on the very bottom string on the 2nd fret. And then your 3 finger is going to go right in between them. So it's going to go on the 3rd fret, 2nd string from the bottom, or 3rd string from the top. Okay, and it's going to kind of make like a little triangle right here like this. So 1, 2, 3. Again, 1 is here, 2nd string from the top on the 2nd fret. 2 is here, very bottom string on the 2nd fret. And 3 is here, 2nd string from the bottom, 3rd from the top on the 3rd fret. And that is a G chord. C, G. Okay, anyway, next chord we're going to do is A minor. Okay, so what you're going to notice about A minor is that you have 1 here. All right, and so what you're going to do is 1, 2. So 2nd fret, 1 finger, top string, 2nd fret, 1, 2, 1 finger, top string. There's your A minor. Here it goes. Okay, now one thing I want you to also notice when I'm doing this with my fingers is how I'm bending. See how my fingers kind of bent straight on, or like this when I play the G, fingers are kind of bent like that. They're not like this, they're bent. Not like this, bent. And the reason is it gives you a little bit of air. Now, it might be a little frustrating at first because your fingers can be a little bit tender when you first start and they're not used to feeling that string underneath. So when you do that, you just want to kind of make sure they're put down like that. And just take your time and just know that over time, as you get stronger and you've played more, that it'll get easier, okay? So that's your G, that's your C, and then we're going to go back to A minor. There it is, 2nd fret, top string, 1st finger, A minor. And last but not least on this video is going to be F. And the way that's going to work is you're going to go on the very 1st fret, 1st finger, and you're going to do the 2nd string from the bottom, 3rd string from the top, 1st fret. And then you're going to take your middle finger or your 2nd finger, and that is going to be on the 2nd fret on the top string. So there should be a string in between the two of them. So you have your 1st finger, open string, 2nd finger. Okay, remember my fingers are bent, and that's F. So we're going to go through them all really quick. You have C, then you have G, then you have A minor, then you have F. And we'll end on C. All right, good luck.